Good morning, class. Today is 21/4/2020. This is your English class, and I'm your English teacher. So, let's start today's lecture. Our topic is singular plural. In this class, today we will learn about singular and plurals. What is singular? Singular means one thing. Singular means one thing. The nouns are in one quantity are called singular. The nouns means a person, place, animal or thing. That these four nouns, if they are in one quantity, if they are one, then we will call them singular. Look at the example. Donut. You can see here there is one donut, right? So we say it's a single donut, one donut. Look here, there is one apple. We will say it's a single because it's one, it's in one quantity. So the nouns are in one quantity are called singular. And you can read it donut, apple, because there is one apple and there is one donut. So these are singular because they are in one quantity. Now look at plural. More than one things are called plural. Okay, if they are more than in one quantity, means they are in 2, 3, 4, these are called plurals, or more than this. Okay, so plurals are the nouns are more than one in quantity. The nouns, again repeat, the nouns are more than one in quantity are called plurals. Means same thing I say, if the nouns are more than one, means if there are two persons, there are five pencils. So because they are more than in one quantity, so therefore they called plurals. And generally, to make plurals, we add s at the end of the word. Okay, generally it's a general rule. To make plurals, we add at the end s at the end of the word. Look at the picture here, donuts and apples. You can see in first picture there are 8 donuts, and what I say now, what I am pronouncing donuts. I add s at the end of the word because they are more in quantity. Okay, and look at picture number 2, apples. Okay, so they are also more in quantity. There are 3 apples, so what I will say, I add s, and adding of s we make it plural. Because how? Because they are in more quantity. I hope you understand what is singular and plural. Already you know all these things, these are very basic. I just want to repeat it. Okay, so let us learn to make more rules to make plurals. Okay, we will learn more rules to make plural. Rule number 1, we will learn, if the word ends with O, add ES. If the word ends with what? O, what we will add at the end? ES. Look at first example. Mango is a word and it's end with O. Exactly. And what we will add to make it plural? We will add ES to make it plural. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Echo, echoes. But we are adding only es at the end of the word to make it plural. And why we are adding es? Because this word ends with o. These all words ends with o. Look at more example. Video, videos. Hero, heroes. So these are few examples of the words which ends with o. Understand? So to make them plural, we will add es. Now look at what you have to do. You have to learn these words. Now rule number 2, if the word ends with f or fe, if there is a word, students listen it carefully, if the word ends with f or fe, what we have to do, we have to cut f or fe, whatever is there. If there is f or fe, we have to cut it, and we will add to make plural. What we will add? We will add ves. What we will add? Ves. Yes, if the word ends with what? F or fe, we will cut these two words and we will add VES. Look at first example. Leaf. There is the word LEAF and this word ends with F. Yes, so we will cut F and we will add VES. But we will add VES and its pronunciation become change. Okay, first we will read it leaf, and when it is in plural form we will read it leaves. What we will read it? Leaves. This is very common word you are reading from grade 1 in science. It's a general word, normal word, leaf, and when it is in plural we read it, we pronounce it leaves. Look at next word, wolf. This word also ends with F. So what we will do, we will cut the F and we will write wolves. WOLVES. We will here we cut F and we add VES. Look at next example, knife. Now you can see here in knife this word end with FE. So what I told you before, if the word end with F or FE, we have to cut these two words. Okay, now this word end with FE, so we will cut FE and we will write VES at the end of the word. Look at the plural form, KNIVES. In plural form, FE is not there. It means we have to cut this word and we have to write KNIVES. So we will say it knives, because in this word K is silent, so we will not pronounce it. Okay, but in spellings we will write, but we will not pronounce it. So knife, knives. Next, wife, wives. Here is the same. We will cut FE and we will add what to make it plural? VES. Next, shelf, shelves. Shelf, shelves. Now pronounce these words again. Read after me. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Shelf, shelves. So these are few examples of the words which are end with F or FE, and we will add VES to make it plural. I hope you understand it. Now the third rule. This is the last rule. Okay, if the word ends with consonant plus Y, what we have to do, we have to cut Y and add IES. First tell me, what are consonant words? What are consonants? In alphabet, you know, A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. Yes, A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. So all the rest of the letters are called consonants. Already you have learned this. It's very easy. Except of vowel letters, all other letters are consonants. Like B, like C, like D, like F, like G, and so on. These all are consonants. Here only A, E, I, O, U are not consonants because they are vowel letters. So our third rule is, if the word ends with consonant plus Y, means if there is a consonant and Y, then we will cut Y. Only we will cut Y. We will not cut consonant, and we will add IES. Look at the example. Very easy. Baby. Here you can see, look at last two words. Y is with consonant because B is consonant. So what we will do, we will only cut Y and we will add IES. Babies. We will make it babies. Baby, babies. Now look at another. City, cities. So because Y is with consonant, T is a consonant word because it's not a vowel letter, it's a consonant. Exactly, T is a consonant. So T consonant plus Y is there. So we will cut Y and we will add IES. City, cities. Cherry, cherries. Butterfly, butterflies. Fairy, fairies. Story, stories. So these are the examples of few singular plurals, you have to learn all these examples. I'll give you worksheet, you have to write over there and you have to learn them. I hope you understand this all. Thank you. Have a nice day.